Well, we've just been out for a few minutes, so I took this with us and got my grandson to run it around for a few seconds, just to check that it does actually work with that controller. And while we were out, I left this printing, which I'm going to see if I can use this as a bracket to stiffen up the front suspension a bit. So, can we do this so you can see what I'm trying to do? Might have to trim it a little bit. Oh no, that is a good fit. Right. A good tight fit. I'm not sure if it's pushing the steering out enough though. It did occur to me, well, two things occurred to me. I could replace these struts with 3D printed struts with springs on them, so we can have proper front suspension there. Or we can have a spring in the middle here, so that that crushes together to give us suspension. I suspect, I don't know, but I suspect there might have been something there originally that may have been lost. Because it looks like it would fit, something would fit in there quite easily. Still just got that little battery in there, which I really only put in there just to test it. I think the steering looks a bit straighter. I could have made it just a little bit wider to push them down a little bit on the outside. But we want a bit of camber on there. Colossus, all-terrain, Venom. Would that be Colossus Venom or Venom Colossus? Well, it works. That'll do for now. I just did a bit more 3D printing. That's the original clip. So I've 3D printed a couple more. Didn't get the dimensions quite right because I did it sort of freehand. But they'll do. So that's our clips for the front. And then I was talking about possibly putting a spring across there to give us some mid-suspension, some suspension in the middle, so the sides go up and they crush the middle. So that's what I've done. It's got a bit of flex to it. Not a lot of flex, but a little bit of flex. So that should fit on there. So take that one off. Go on you go. Don't want to go on. There we go. Right, so we've got a little bit of spring in the middle there. So instead of coming to a dead stop, we've got a bit of spring. I suppose in an ideal situation I'd try both of them, see if there's any difference, but I doubt that we'll notice it. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.